Hello everyone! I've come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find the answer yourself first. You can write it in the comments. Let's start. We will give you two different solutions. Let's start with the first solution. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Now let's do the multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25. If you solve the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have paid attention to the order of operations. The order of operations is coded as PEMDAS. P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponents, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. There is no order in multiplication and division. Operations are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order in addition and subtraction. Operations are done from left to right. Now, let's solve the question according to the rule. Before we move on to the solution, could you please give the video a like? Thanks to those who liked it. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Now there are subtraction and multiplication operations. First, multiplication is done. 5 times 4 equals 20. Last, subtraction is done. 9 minus 20 equals negative 11. The correct answer will be negative 11. Great job. Today, we learned the wrong answer, the correct answer, and the rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. That's the end of today's video. But before you go, try solving the question on the screen and write your answer in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. And if you want more fun math videos, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also watch the videos right next to it. See you in the next video. Bye!